scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Limits of Riemann sums can look scary, but we can solve this quickly by converting the summation into a definite integral. Let's go through it. First, identify the structure of the sum where k over n represents our variable x. The term 1 over n acts as our differential dx for the interval from 0 to 1. Next, replace the k over n term inside the function with x. This transforms our summation into a continuous integral. We are looking for the function that matches our original summand. Finally, integral bounds are 0 to 1 because k ranges from 1 to n. This leads directly to the correct expression in option C. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given steps to find the right integral.